Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm making a chicken and veggie stir fry with cauliflower rice, and I'm using my Breville Hot Wok Pro. This is one of my eating light dishes and it's really easy to put together. First, I started off with a head of cauliflower that I cut up and washed, and I'm adding it to my Cuisinart 14 cup food processor. I'm working in batches because you don't want to overfill your food processor, otherwise the food won't chop uniformly. And as a matter of fact, I had a couple of pieces that weren't acting right, so I took those out. And I kept pulsing until I got the consistency that I wanted. And here's what it looked like. And then here's all the cauliflower. I could have used the shredder attachment, but I wanted a finer consistency. So then I took some paper towels. I'm using Bounty because they're the quicker picker upper, and I'm soaking up some of the moisture out of the cauliflower. You can use a kitchen towel, but paper towels are easier to clean up. So I have heated up my wok, and I'm adding some of my stir fry oil, and I have some frozen stir fry veggies, and then I have a few fresh broccoli pieces that I had left over, and I threw those in there as well. And because I was too lazy to chop up some real onions, I'm seasoning the vegetables with some granulated onion. And then I also seasoned up 4 chicken thighs with some kosher salt, black pepper, ginger, and granulated garlic. And after I let the veggies cook for a couple minutes, I added in a few cloves of garlic. Toss that in there, let that cook for a few seconds, and then I added a little bit more stir fry oil, and then I added in my chicken. I like my veggies a little on the softer side, so I decided to cook the chicken with the veggies. But if you like your veggies to be a little bit more al dente, have a little bit more bite, then I would recommend that you remove the veggies before you cook your chicken and then add the veggies back in later. So I'm just tossing around the meat and the vegetables, well, chicken and vegetables, until the chicken is cooked through. And then once the chicken was cooked through, I added some Szechuan spicy sauce, and I stirred that together. And then it was time to add the cauliflower. I added in about half of it. And then I added some, oh my goodness, oh no, I have to sneeze. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I added half the cauliflower, and then I added in some low sodium soy sauce, a splash of fish sauce, and then a little bit of oyster sauce. And then I tossed that together, and then after that I added in the rest of the cauliflower. So once everything is mixed together, it's time to serve it up and eat it up. This is a quick and easy dish to put together, and it's easy on that waistline. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!